Hello YouTube, welcome to this video, and today is another in my lighter series with a difference. It's not one of the collection, my Zippo collection, which I'm subscribed to, has sent me. It's a present from Paul, and thank you so much, Paul, who I've never met. We're just online friends, who gave me two amazing presents a couple weeks ago. He sent them in the post, a total surprise, and the first is this amazing book, which I'm going to do a series about, Zippopedia. Everything about Zippo, which you should know, and that will be a series I'm looking forward so much to making. And this lighter comes in the official Zippo box, obviously. And you open it up, and here is what you got. A beautiful bit of artwork, well, engineering, a wonderful lighter. It's the Armour case made in America Zippo lighter, and I'll just show you. And that's a hinge of, and it's a lighter which I have to be honest, I haven't yet got round to filling, because I'm currently using one of my other Zippo lighters from my collection. Okay, it's got L14, which I presume was made, or sorry, I14, which means it was made in 2014. Zippo, Bradford, Pennsylvania, made in the USA. You can see that. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, Paul, for sending me this wonderful lighter. Now, the Armour range is slightly different to the rest of the Zippos for this reason. Now, they're 1.5 times as thick as a standard case, hence the name. They retail on zippo.co.uk for £25. Sorry Paul, I had to investigate how much it was for the purposes of this video. Now, Zippos come in a variety of finishes, apart from your limited editions, which I've shown you some of them in my series, and those videos are down below. And according to Zippopedia, I love that word, you've got the following front finishes: antique, armour obviously, brass, chrome, copper, gold plated, metal precious, matte, midnight chrome, PVD coated, replicas, silver plated, rose gold, sunrise, veined finishes, vintage, margarita, and that's their range. What I'm going to do at the end of this video is take some still photographies of this book so you can see close up. Now, I'm going to, as I said, explain the book and do, well, this book is 218 pages, so a pretty long series on the book coming soon. On the Armour range, which is here, you can see, and the top bit there, it comes in Armour HP sterling silver plate, Armour brushed sterling silver plate, Armour brushed chrome plate, Armour high polish chrome, which is numbers 26 for the Armour sterling, 27 is the brushed sterling, the brushed chrome is 162, 167 is the Armour high polish chrome, 168 is the Armour brushed brass, and 169 is Armour high polish brass. Then you got the various bottoms of the lighter, the brass bottom and the chrome bottom. And now let's show you, this had the number 14, so it's made in 2014. Thank you so much, Paul. This lighter means so much to me. It's going on my tobacco shelves and I won't use it outside the house, so I don't want to lose it. A very precious, beautiful lighter. Okay, that's about it from me. Give this video a thumbs up. Sorry I couldn't tell you much more. Just to reiterate, available on zippo.co.uk, links in the description, retails in the UK for £25, made in America. The Armour casing is different to the standard casing because it's 1.5 times thicker. Available in sterling silver plate, brushed sterling silver plate, brushed chrome plate, high polished chrome, brushed brass and high polished brass. Okay guys, thanks for watching and get your Zippo now. Give it a thumbs up and stay lit.